expected is to be yourself. A girl is standing in front of you is 21 standard. A friend, boy. Virgin, sorry. Innocent. I am proud to represent the barangay that love each other, who cooperate each other, and hashtag friendship goal. I am proudly proud to represent the barangay Bagaw Bawang Lapu-Lapu. Arigo and so and I believe that you want to be loved, learn how to be loved. And if you want to be respected, learn how to be respected. Good evening, judges. I am your candidate, number 4. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Itong pattern lumayas ang masamang espiritu. Hello, hi, mabuhay? Or should I say, hello, mga ka-blessing! This is Bless Diaz Cañada, 19, proudly representing kung saan ang dakol na natitingkog, Karog-Ka! I'm Natasha Aguas Miranda, 18, representing Dap Rapu-Rapu Albay.
Sa ulingan. Well, I am Queen Gabi Liara Marie, 17, Karog-Kog, Rapu-Rapu Albay. Naniniwala sa isang kasabihan, balat ko man may team, huwag niyong mamaliitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpalang, may negrang tatatak. This is Queen Mikey Amon Gavelos, 18, all the way from the home of saintly devoted Saint John the Baptist, Barangay Binusawa!
Difference is my crown. Creativity is my weapon. A professional hairstylist, this is Pops Cañada, representing the vibrant barangay, Barangay Karugkog, Rapu-Rapu, Albay.
Baby, it's your time to shine. Be the queen of your own universe. Shatter the chains, flip the script reverse. Light up the sky, let your spirit rehearse. Says, baby, rewrite your verse. Mirror speaking girl that knows your name.
Bago muna ako magpakilala, nais ko munang batiin ang aking nag-iisang handler, Miss Asa Labuanga. Happy birthday! Good evening, City of Minso. My name is Maria Victoria Claveria, 21, from Barangay Poblacion. But tonight, allow me to stand by the name ang nag-iisa at nagpakilig sa puso ni Akil. Yes, oo nga po, ako nga po, si Sangre Danaya. Or should I say, Sanya Lopez. Sanya Lopez na nagsasabing, kung ang mga lalaki ay peacock rice, kung ang mga babae naman ay cherry blossom rice, kami namang mga bakla ay NFA rice, di kasarapan, pero mura, binabalik-balikan. Again, my name is Maria Victoria Claveria, 21, Poblacion!
Mirror speaking girl that knows your name. Reflection shouting, you're not the same. Diamonds dripping from your every move. In the jungle you set the groove. Be the queen of your own universe. Shatter the chains, flip the script reverse. Light up the sky, let your spirit rehearse. Says, baby, rewrite your verse.
DJ isa pa. Stop.
No one can touch you, you're untamed. Winds are cold, it is your parade. Open your world, don't be afraid. Be the queen of your own universe.
Very good. Good evening, people of Minso. Don't let anyone ruin your confidence. Be you before. This is JL Calles, 21, from Barangay Bilbao, Municipality of Rapu-Rapu, 2nd District of Albay.
It's your time to shine. Be the queen of your own universe. Shatter the chains, flip the script reverse. Light up the sky, let your spirit rehearse. Says, baby, rewrite your verse. Mirror speaking girl that knows your name.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Berkeley dancing candidate and their production number.